Hi students, hi everyone. Welcome you all to the class of entrepreneurship development. We already discussed topics entrepreneurship and entrepreneurs, types of entrepreneurs, and the differences between entrepreneurs and intrapreneurs. Today we are moving to a new topic, women entrepreneurs. As we know, women constitute half of the world population, but their representation in gainful employment is comparatively low. Generally, women have confined their activities to certain areas like education, nursing, fashion designing, office work, etc. Since time immemorial, the society was dominated by male. But in contemporary times, women are breaking the trend and coming out of the shadows. Women all around the world are overcoming the negative notions the society has about them. It is also visible in Indian corporate world. Many women achieved success in entrepreneurial field and few are leading top ventures and ideas. But even though the situation is not that much good, only 14% of Indian women run businesses as per 6th economic census conducted in 2014. And more than 90% of the companies run by women entrepreneurs are micro and small enterprises, and about 79% of them or the companies run by uh, women entrepreneurs are self-financed one. Annette Dixon, the World Bank's vice president for South Asia, said women account for just 17% of GDP in India. It is less than half of the global average. And if it is in the case of China, it is 40%. Then, as per MasterCard Index Women Entrepreneurs, they are conducting surveys in every year. In 2018 and 19, the position of India is keeping the same. India ranked 53 among 58 countries in 2018 and the same in 2019 also, as per the MasterCard Index Women Entrepreneurs. You could see in that list the position of India. It is 53 among 58 nations. There are too many reasons for this stagnation in the development of women entrepreneurs. Aparna Sarogi, co-founder of Women Entrepreneurship and Empowerment Foundation, WEE, she said many times there are pressures and opposition from within the family due to societal stereotypes that force women to just take care of the house as her key responsibility. Also, the lack of child care support system holds women's back. Despite of all these factors, Indian women stand out in society. Many women have achieved success and many are running big enterprises like Vandana Luthra, the founder of VLCC, an Indian entrepreneur and the founder of VLCC Healthcare Limited, a beauty and wellness conglomerate represented in Asia, the GCC and Africa. She awarded Padma Shri in 2013 by Indian President Pranab Mukherjee. Another famous entrepreneur, women entrepreneur is Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, the founder of Biocon Limited. It's a company related with biotechnology company based in Bangalore, and she's the chairperson of Biocon. India, and she was the former chairperson of Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. Another famous one, Indra Nooyi. At present, she is one of the board member of Amazon. Is an Indian American business executive and former chairman and chief executive officer of Pepsi company, PepsiCo. She has consistently ranked among the world's 100 most powerful women. Another most important and most famous women entrepreneur is Indu Jain, chairperson of India's largest media group, Bennett Coleman and Company Limited. Bennett, it is popularly known as Times Group. Times of India, like large media's newspaper owned by this group. She also awarded Padma Bhushan, prestigious Padma Bhushan by Indian government in 2016. Another famous entrepreneur, women entrepreneur, whose success in this field is Priya Paul, chairperson of Park Hotels. She also given or awarded Padma Shri in 2012 by Indian government. Then Suchi Mukherjee, founder and CEO of LimeRoad, is a successful businesswoman who founded a company that is known as a LimeRoad, which sells a wide range of fashion and lifestyle related products for women like clothing, shoes, beauty products, etc. These are very few examples for the successful women entrepreneurs in India. There are too many entrepreneurs in Kerala too. So even though the situation is like this, women entrepreneurs, the field of women entrepreneurship is not that much progressing or developing. So by tomorrow or in next video, we will discuss about meaning and definition of women entrepreneur, the importance or role of women entrepreneurship in Indian economy, and the problems faced by women entrepreneurs in India. Okay, thank you all.